Love watching TV shows. Thinking about what TV show to watch this weekend? We have got the best list for you. Trust us, the following series are some of the most prominent ones out of the list with ample nominations and viewership cementing their popularity. Check them out. If you still didn't subscribe my channel, now subscribe and press the bell icon button to get latest notifications. So let's take a look at top 10 TV shows that you must watch before you die. Number 10. Sherlock. With just 4 seasons released by so far, Sherlock Holmes has already set the bar very high, starring the deep voice specialist Benedict Cumberbatch and the adorable Martin Freeman. The duo fits perfectly into the mold of the fun Sir Arthur Conan Doyle novel characters. Sherlock Holmes is a high-functioning sociopath private detective, as he calls himself, who is always breaking the ice to solve murder mysteries. Number 9. The Sopranos. David Chase mob epic is the daddy of all Golden Age television. It is the sprawling story of Tony Sopranos, a towering James Gandolfini trying to stay sane while struggling his personal life as a suburban dad and his other life as a ruthless mob boss. It is one of the first shows to introduce novel-like storytelling powers and character building in a serialized television show, and still stands as one of the best. Number 8. The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead tells the story of Rick Grimes and his group who must survive in the apocalyptic world which is overrun by zombies. If you are a zombie buff, then this is a must-watch TV series for you. The Walking Dead has become one of the most popular and most watched shows all across the globe. The TV series is based on the comic book series of the same name. Number 7. The Simpsons. The Simpsons is an American animated sitcom that satirically depicts the life of a working class family in the fictional town of Springfield. The show parodies the American television, their culture, and the lifestyle and human condition. Number 6. Breaking Bad. Breaking Bad is regarded as one of the greatest television series. This TV series is also the highest rated TV series of all time. You will know the reason behind its ridiculous popularity once you watch the show. The show tells the story of a chemistry teacher who starts making meth to secure his family financial future after he discovers that he has cancer. Number 5. Everybody Loves Raymond. The story of a Ray Romano is told with a touch of different styles of humor. The central character is always in a mood to crack a few, even if the situations are bad. Everyone, including Ray's dad, has a peculiar quality, and that adds an extra touch to the humor in the show. Number 4. House. A medical drama series that focuses on Dr. House, a medical genius and team. Together they help in curing patients with bizarre illnesses. Dr. House is an extremely talented, sarcastic healthcare professional and has some special talents, but is unconventional. He doesn't mind going against the hospital administration. The show has fans all across the world. It has received rave reviews from the medical professionals. Number 3. Supernatural. If you are a fan of horror, mystery, thriller, action, comedy, then you should definitely watch Supernatural. The show tells the story of two brothers who are hunters. They hunt ghosts, monsters, demons, and all the sort of supernatural stuff. Supernatural has gained a cult status. It has a dedicated fan base. Number 2. Game of Thrones. I'm sure you keep hearing the name of this show again and again. This fantasy drama is based on George R.R. Martin's series of fantasy novels. However, it is not as complex as the books. The shooting of this Game of Thrones is done in more than 7 countries. The plot emphasizes politics, romance, action, mystery, war, and bloodshed. Number 1. Friends. Friends is one of the most popular and famous shows of all time. This show is special for so many reasons. The show is about the lives of 6 friends living in Manhattan. The reason why this show is everyone's favorite is because each and every character of show is very relatable. For every geek who is having a hard time in getting a girl, Ross Geller is the inspiration. Don't give up. Rachel is every girl's favorite for her amazing styling sense and cool looks. Sometimes we could be obsessive and compulsive like Monica, sharing your sensitive side with others like Joey, being crazy like Phoebe, and making everyone laugh like Chandler. So these are the top 10 TV shows you must watch before you die. Do let us know what your list of 10 must watch TV shows. Thanks for watching the video. If you like it, let me know by clicking the like button. Do share, write a comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so that you can catch up my next video. Thank you.